Hello, and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted tax compliance partner. So, you've received an income tax notice? First things first, don't panic. It might feel overwhelming, but in most cases, it's a routine communication from the income tax department. The key is to understand the reason behind it and respond promptly and correctly. Let's walk you through the common reasons, types of notices, and how to deal with them the smart way. With help from Filings Corner. Why do you receive an income tax notice? There are several reasons why you might get a notice. Here are the most common ones. Mismatch in income or TDS. When the income reported in your ITR doesn't match with Form 26AS or TDS certificates. Non-filing of returns. You were supposed to file a return, but didn't. High-value transactions, large cash deposits, credit card spending, property purchases, or big investments can trigger scrutiny. Scrutiny selection. Sometimes, returns are picked randomly for assessment under routine checks. TDS mismatch. Errors in tax deducted versus what you claimed. Foreign asset non-disclosure. If you forgot to declare income or assets held overseas. Incorrect tax payments, especially non-payment or underpayment of advance tax. The bottom line? Not every notice is bad, but every notice needs timely attention. Types of income tax notices and what to do. Let's quickly go through some common sections under which notices are issued and how to handle them. Section 139.9. Defective return. This means there are errors or missing information in your ITR. Action. File a corrected return within 15 days. Section 143(1). Intimation notice. This is an auto-generated communication showing your filed return versus department's computation. Action. If there's a mismatch or tax due, correct it or claim refund as applicable. Section 143(2). Scrutiny assessment. This notice calls for detailed verification of your return. Action. Submit documents and respond professionally. In some cases, you may have to attend a hearing. Section 148. Income escaping assessment. The department believes you've missed declaring some income. Action. Respond with a revised return and supporting explanation. Section 245. Adjustment of refunds. Your expected refund is being adjusted against old tax dues. Action. Either accept or respond within 30 days if you wish to dispute. Each notice has a specific purpose, and responding accurately, within the timeline, is absolutely critical. How to respond to an income tax notice. Here's what you should do if a notice lands in your inbox. Verify the notice, collect supporting documents. File your response online. Seek expert help. Why choose Filings Corner for tax notice handling? Thousands of taxpayers trust Filings Corner for one reason. We make it simple and stress-free. Expert handling, accurate documentation. Fast turnaround, affordable plans. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to resolve your income tax notice quickly and correctly. Filings Corner. Professional tax help, always within reach.